Welcome to Hill House, the home of elsewhere, and our new product called Unlocked. It's our response to this tough and historic time that we're in. So we are producing big production events here at Hill House. We're sending physical boxes out to every member of your team so they've got what they need to participate in the event. They're all dialing in over Zoom, and what is really cool is we've got avatars here with headcams on that your team is going to be directing around the house and the grounds to participate in the event. So it's a virtual event in your own exclusive hire venue with physical equipment sent to every one of your team. In a minute, Theo Michaels, our executive chef, is doing a really cool cook along and is making vegan burgers. Let's go and have a look, come on. And after dinner, they're going to be running around the house directing their avatars using this sort of equipment. So we've got headcams that are streaming into Zoom channels, but their avatars are going to be moving around the house on their behalf, and they're going to find all sorts of things like the games room for beer pong, competitive beer pong. They're going to be finding the campfire, the DJ, they're going to be making cocktails. So to give you an example, they've got to find the right fridge. If they find the right fridge, they'll find the chill out room, which of course is in the chill out fridge. Let's have a game of competitive beer pong. Come with me, let's have a look. So we've created Unlocked, a virtual event that's exclusive just for your team, that's live streaming here at Hill House whenever you need it. And because it's this most amazing Tudor manor house, one lucky person could even come and stay the night.